We have to find the problem 5 by 117. Draw the shear force and moment diagram for the beam shown. Determine the distance B measure from the left. We have to determine distance B and measure from the left, from this side, okay, to the end, to the point where the bending moment is 0 between the supports. In this problem, we have a continuous loaded distributed over the beam. Our task is to determine the spot where the momentum is 0 between the two supports. Between these, where will be the momentum will be 0, at this point or at this point or this point. So we have to spot that point. Okay, first of all, we will draw a free body diagram of this loaded beam. So first we have to find this AY, reaction AY and BY. So this is a UDL of 100 pound per feet. So the centroid of this UDL will be at 4.5 feet from the left. Okay, at this point the centroid of this total load. So this total load will be at this point is 900 pounds. So AX will be equal to 0 because there is no horizontal force. So summation of all movement at point A equal to 0. So there is BY multiplied by its moment arm, which is 6 feet, negative because this is produced clockwise, this force produced clockwise direction. So it will be negative FR, which is 900 multiplied by this lever arm, which is 4.5. equal to 0. So by will become equal to 4.5 multiplied by 900 divided by 6, which will be b equal to 675 pounds. Now we have found this reaction by, which is 675 pounds. Now we will find summation of this AY. So for this AY, finding this AY, summation of all vertical forces acting at this point equal to 0. So negative FR, which is downward direction, because that's why I take it as negative, and positive AY, positive BY, these two vertical reaction forces. Okay, so AY will equal to 900 negative. At the place of AR I plug the value, which is 675. So AY will become equal to 225 pounds. Now we will find the shear force. Draw a shear force diagram. This is very easy for us to finding shear force at point A, at mid, and at this spot, which is 4.5, and at this point, which is support B, and this point. So we have to find the shear forces at that point. So at point A, shear force will be, it's only this AY reaction force. So AY is equal to 225. The shear force at this point will be 225, and linearly varying from, because this is UDL, that's why it will be at 1 degree. So at this, what will be the shear force at this point, at this 4.5 spot, okay, at mid of this whole beam, at mid of this beam. So 225, okay, negative 4.5 multiplied by this UDL. So this will be 225 negative 4.5. So this will become equal to, total will become equal to 4.5 multiplied by 100, which is 450. So 450 minus 225, this will become negative 225 at this point. So, okay, so now I can also find shear force at this position. So this is 1.5, this distance is 1.5 multiplied by 100, which is 150. Okay, so negative 150 negative 225, this will become the negative 375. Shear force at this point will be 375. No, there is a point load which is 675. So this is positive because it is directed up. So 675 negative 375, this will become 300, positive 300. Shear force at point B, this will become positive 300. So this 3 feet multiplied by 100, which is UDL. So 3 multiplied by 100, which is this is downward, in downward direction. So this 300 will negative and this 100 will positive. This will cancel with each other, so it will become 0. Okay, so we have found shear force. Now we can easily find bending moment diagram. How can we find bending moment diagram? So in the shear force, we have to find area A1, area A2, and A3, A3 dash, and A4. So by these areas, we can easily find shear bending moment diagram. So I have solved this whole bending moment diagram here. you can see this and this. You can easily solve bending moment diagram. If you not understand on this, I will share with you my contact. You can contact me as well.